for these games are changed. And the position of the small camp has slightly shifted too. What this means is that we can't kill both of them simultaneously like we can do now in the original server. These changes is made to increase the early jungling time of junglers, as most of the fast junglers could easily get to level 4 in 1 minute 20 second mark. But after the change it now takes around 8 to 10 seconds extra, as you will have to kill the red buff and small camp one after the other. If you're good with calculations, you can just head on to the next one when it's around 300 to 500 HP and finish it like this shown here. Or if you are playing with friends, you can ask your tank to start it in the meantime, as it still appears at the 30-second mark to save up that extra 7 to 8 seconds. Well, there is one Chad who can still do it. Our Dino Boy can still kill them simultaneously, but there's a catch to it. You will have to pull passive stakes and get that bigger size to do it, and it only works in one spot. To kill them simultaneously, you must put barrets in this position, and moving away a little bit will reset the creeps. The next thing to keep in mind for junglers as well as laners is the new turtle notification and river area changes. Whenever the turtle is about to spawn before 10 seconds, we get this notification pop up and movement speed bonus in the river area, and it also has a special animation in the map. The movement speed bonus also comes when the turtle is killed for 10 seconds after it. These changes is focused on creating more opportunities for players to make strategic plays and try to join skirmishes in the turtle area. Junglers can easily cover up the distance to the turtle area even if they are far away, as the movement speed bonus is directed towards the turtle. When the turtle gets killed, and movement speed bonus can be used to our advantage to make surprise gains in lanes too, as it is directed away from the turtle. Except for the special animation on the map, this change is already present in the original server, so always keep it in mind and try to gain the most out of it. The next change made are to the turtle and load area. I mean the range of turtle and load.
Memory is hard to capture, just like the silhouette in the mist.
The range of turtle and load has been reduced.
You shall see my sword before you see me.
This means we can't do load and turtle dances anymore.
I'm a man with sad stories.
For those who don't know what turtle and load dances are, pulling the objective to your side of the map and making them reset according to your wish is what basically this dance means. With the new smaller range, you won't be able to drag them to your side.
True warriors act, rather than acted upon.
This change is aimed to give a fairer chance to the team who reaches led to the objective, as they can now force you away from the turtle and load pit, just reset it easily. As the load and turtle won't come out of their pits, you won't be able to safely take it. You will need to be present near the opening of the pit and to secure the objective, which actually puts the jungler in a vulnerable position. After this change is implemented, the junglers are going to have a hard time and will need to position themselves more safely. To adapt, I would personally recommend to do objective solo only when you confirm enemy positions away from the area. Otherwise, do not even try to do it solo if your team is not present to help you out. Going for turtles and loads without backup will be very tricky now. And for the last change, we have a very small yet effective change, the new enhanced minions or super minions. The super minions, which spawns on both sides when an inhibitor turret is destroyed or load is killed, have been adjusted.
Never miss a beat.
They are now much stronger than before and won't be killed so easily, ensuring the obvious gains from the advantages. To adapt to this change, all you gotta do is do not ignore those minions at all. The tanks and low damage dealers, don't even think about clearing them on your own. When on your side, try to take advantage of these minions and try to sync them together for creating more windows for you to push. Moonton wants the matches to be short now, I guess, as all of the changes I mentioned are indicating towards a faster game style. So what are your thoughts about these new changes coming soon? Do you still kill the crab or move on to the small camp without collecting the drop? Share your thoughts in the comment section.